Namaste. Welcome to today's session, and we are going to learn Bhramari Pranayama. This pranayama is meant to relax you deeply. Who can do this? Everybody. What is the best time to do this practice? Is late at night before bedtime or first thing in the morning. This pranayama helps you to de-stress completely, relax your nervous system, and very good for the people who can't sleep properly. So let's get started. Sit straight with your long spine, shoulders away from your ears. Take your thumbs and cover your earlobes. Place your 3 fingers on your eyes, very gently cover them. Close your eyes here. Keep your pinky finger under your mouth. Take the tongue and place it at the roof of your mouth. That's upper palate. Now keep both the jaws separated. Take a nice deep breath in and hum like a bumblebee. Breathe in, hum. Continue for 5 to 10 rounds, and as you build the practice, you can take the practice to 5 to 10 minutes. The people who should not do this practice is people with ear infection. Practice and let us know how do you feel. Till then, you take care. Namaste for joining.